Hey, Tess.
Huh?
What are we doing tonight?
We're pulling my tooth out.
We're pulling a tooth? Open up. Let's see, is it ready?
Ready, set, go, go.
Oh, yeah. It's ready. Look at it. Alright. I'm going to pull it. You ready? You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, almost.
I'm pulling under them. Oh,
Hold on. We're almost there. Oh, it's just hanging by a thread. Put your tongue in your mouth. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me grab it. It's out now. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. Oh. Hold on. We're almost done. We're almost done. Just one more. That's it. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, here we go. No, it's not out yet. It's not out yet. Evan, hold this. Point it at Tessa. Okay, just hold it right there. Keep it on Tessa. Okay, keep it on Tessa. Just keep it on Tessa. Do you have it on Tessa?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Let me see. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Keep it on Tessa. Keep it on her. Keep it on. All right, here we go. Stop. Here we go. You ready? Okay, all right.
Ow! You pulled it out! I see it. Where is it? I want to see.
There it is. Smile.